Is this the dude?
Yeah, this him.
Who is that?
Cuz them.
Cuz them? That's his name for real?
It's Cuz them. Cuz them.
Customer? Oh yeah, he is cute.
There gonna be a whole bunch of white girls in this video.
Today's customs video audition, and I'm like super nervous, but I'm super excited. We are just gonna have a good time. Let's do it.
Let me see you pop it, you fine bubble shaker. Shake it like you're gon' break it, you fine bubble shaker. Move it, let me see you prove it, you fine bubble shaker. Want it like you're gonna grind it, you fine bubble shaker.
This is... Why did I wear heels?
We arrived at this beautiful house. The lawn is beautiful, the gate is beautiful, the pillars are beautiful. This house is so dope.
Ladies!
Hey!
All right, so this is what we're doing, ladies. Got my artist Custom here. He's got this new single. It's called We Party. And we're just looking for a few more beautiful ladies, and you obviously fit the bill.
Right.
I've got some bathing suits for you all. Let's get you all changed up, and then we'll get started with the auditions. Y'all come with me. Let's go.
Me and Valentina, we're boss bitches, so of course we're not gonna be in the video. I'm a manager. I book people for you. Not happening.
Babies, are you all ready to go get fitted? No?
Can we help you judge?
How about that? Like, you guys are gonna hang out with Price and Custom, and you all help judge.
Alicia and we want to judge. We take the clipboards and we start doing what we do best, controlling.
Kristen, here we go. Beautiful hair.
These girls outside the Bad Girls Club are ratchet as like, get it together.
Can I get Nancy out here?
Look at that ass. Look at that
Paula, let me get you. Hella on heels. I like it.
My girls are doing amazing. Stephanie comes up and she kills it. Rocky, I don't care for the bitch because I don't like the bitch. But she's actually doing pretty good. And Shannon looks like a porn star, but she looks like an expensive porn star.
Doing amazing.
It's over.
Bad Girls Club Atlanta is so new every Tuesday at 8, 7 Central.
Only on Oxygen.